Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. This car has been greatly redesigned, and before we get into the details, let's get a brief history. The Hyundai Palisade is a mid-size crossover SUV that's been manufactured and marketed by Hyundai Motor Company since late 2018. It replaced the Maxcruz, which was also known as the Santa Fe XL outside of South Korea, as the flagship SUV under the Hyundai brand. The Palisade was introduced at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show and shares its platform with the Kia Telluride. Born to rule as Hyundai's flagship SUV, the Palisade shows all the traits of a leader. Both muscular and elegant, it projects a powerful presence with premium qualities that get noticed. Wherever you're headed, the Palisade will take you there in style. The Palisade's spacious cabin, flexible seating, and advanced connectivity features make it the perfect family getaway vehicle. With that little background, let's dive in as we explore the all-new 2026 Hyundai Palisade. It's only been 3 days since Hyundai revealed the 2026 Palisade SUV in a handful of photos. But the big SUV with seating for up to 9 is already on the road in South Korea. At least 2 YouTube channels in the country have already spent time with the new Palisade. Unsurprisingly, we don't understand Korean, but it doesn't escape us that we're looking at one big new SUV with some seriously cool features and a cabin that has us feeling a bit more relaxed already. I hope you'll have the same experience with this vehicle. Stick around to find out. Well, experts say you can't talk about a car without mentioning its exterior. The 2026 Palisade, codenamed LX3, is poised to build upon the success of its predecessors with a design that's both refreshing and familiar. We're getting some old-school third-generation Range Rover vibes, especially the 2003 to 2008 model years. We see Range Rover similarities throughout the new Palisade's entire greenhouse, with a modernized take on the clean simplicity of its profile. Hyundai's Korean market reveal of the 2026 Palisade has been thin on details. Instead, it leaned on the new styling, which transforms the handsome current Palisade into something that looks a lot more rugged and a lot more premium. 2 spy videos have shown the beast already on the road, but it isn't perfect yet. This is a clear sign that it's one of the early units of the upcoming Palisade. It has mismatched paint on the different panels, and the LED light bars don't seem to be working quite right, but it does show the Palisade on the road and in natural light, where its imposing presence is made known. The first video shows how big the new Palisade is compared to other cars on the road. It also shows details like the turn signals, especially the rear signals, where orange markers live inside the red brake lights. The Palisade's new appearance isn't as overtly bold as the Santa Fe's, but it looks square and more elegant than before. Its box-shaped grille is flanked by hidden headlights and a stacked set of rectangular daytime running lights that will surely get noticed in people's rearview mirrors. The SUV's mostly smooth side surfacing has sculpted wheel arch outlines, and the intricate 21-inch wheels on the Korean model shown in these initial photos would look at home on a Genesis product. The taillights mimic the design of the front DRLs, creating a sense of cohesiveness. The decorative bezel that rises up the rear roof pillars appears to connect with the roof rails in another classy visual touch. Underneath its bold exterior, the Palisade is rumored to be built on a new platform featuring a longer wheelbase. This change aims to enhance interior space, allowing the Palisade to better compete with rivals like the Honda Pilot and Toyota Grand Highlander. Additionally, uncamouflaged Hyundai badging on its new wheel design hints at the brand's confidence in this exciting model. From other sources, Hyundai says that the new Palisade has a longer wheelbase, although it is unclear how much it's grown compared with the current 114.2-inch wheelbase. The second video is a walk-around with a look at the inside. In the exterior walk-around, it appears that the host wonders if there has ever been a larger headlight on a vehicle. We're not sure either. It also shows that the grille isn't as 2005 Range Rover as it looked in the first photos. If we missed a detail, let us know in the comments below. If the exterior amazes you, then you're in for a shock, as the interior of this luxurious SUV is bound to leave you speechless. In another rather strange video, it appears they've just found a Palisade prototype in a parking garage and are crawling all over it. The looks inside are still images through tinted windows, but they're also the best look we've seen inside so far. It shows the cozy look dash and the large screens, which once again have a bezel surround. The third row gets heated for all 3 positions and has its own speakers. The image also shows a space that looks bigger than the last model, with more glass for the rear occupants to feel less confined. Inside, the new Palisade adopts a more upscale appearance, with an oval dashboard design that we're pleased to see still includes physical controls. Along with a pair of tuning knobs and buttons for the sound system, the HVAC system below has similar switchgear. Hyundai's ubiquitous curved digital display is part of the new look interior, as are the company's badgeless 3-spoke steering wheel and the electronic shifter that's now located on the steering column. There's also a useful shelf facing the front passenger, and the console houses a charging pad and multiple outlets. The Palisade should definitely be roomier than before. There's seating for 7 or up to 9 passengers. The second video also shows off the 9-seat model. That version of the Palisade has a fold-down center seat in the front row. When it's in use, it holds a passenger. When it's not in use, there's a wireless charge pad as well as 3 USB-C ports for the 2 front occupants to use. It's folded down in the still image, but it's clear how the design will work. For maximum people space, Hyundai confirms the front center console lifts up to create a 3-across configuration, which aligns with the Korean video. Who doesn't love a bench seat? Of course, we all do. Tech goodies include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, intelligent cruise control, a 360-degree camera system that doubles as a blind spot camera, and ambient lighting. That's it about looks now. On to performance. Reports from South Korea last year suggested the new Hyundai Palisade would ditch its existing 2.2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel and 3.8-liter V6 gasoline engines, with a pair of turbocharged replacements to fill the gap. Under the bonnet, expect a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbo gas engine paired with a hybrid system. There will also be a larger turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that will easily surpass the 291 horsepower of the current naturally aspirated 3.8-liter engine. This evolution indicates Hyundai's commitment to combining performance with environmental consciousness. The current Palisade lineup offers a selection of gasoline engines, but the 2026 model marks the introduction of a hybrid variant, signifying Hyundai's strategic move towards sustainable mobility. This new model is not just an upgrade in terms of power, it's a statement of Hyundai's vision for the future of family-friendly transportation. I know that with these features, some might wonder, how much could this SUV cost? Despite getting a preview of what's to come, we'll have to wait a while longer until we learn more details as well as pricing for the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. The current lineup only offers a 291 horsepower 3.8-liter V6, so it remains to be seen if Hyundai will switch to a turbocharged 4-cylinder and possibly offer hybrid or plug-in hybrid variants, as it does with some of its other SUVs. The 2025 Palisade starts at around $38,000 and ranges up over $55,000, so expect those prices to get a little higher too. On to our last detail on the upcoming Hyundai Palisade. Like any other car, the Korean flagship is far from being the only impressive model in its category. Key rivals, aside from its corporate sibling, the Kia Telluride, include the VW Atlas, Toyota Grand Highlander, Mazda CX-90, Honda Pilot, Subaru Ascent, Ford Explorer, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. We expect the new Palisade to debut late this year or early next year as a 2026 model, since the current version already occupies the 2025 MY spot. The new Palisade will be joined by a 3-row electric SUV, possibly named Ioniq 7 or Ioniq 9. Built on Hyundai's new eGMP platform, this SUV will serve as Hyundai's counterpart to the Kia EV9. In conclusion, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade is shaping up to be a game-changer in the 3-row crossover market. With its blend of innovative design, advanced technology, and a commitment to sustainability, Hyundai is set to further solidify its market position. Thank you for watching until the end. What do you think of the Palisade's boxier aesthetic? Tell us in the comments below. Until the next one, drive safe.